In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flyer on Google Slides. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. You will see how to create an attractive flyer, whether for an event, a sale, or a community announcement. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. If you're using Google Chrome, locate the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid of dots. Clicking it will give you quick access to various Google services. It's essential to start here because it helps you navigate directly to Google Slides, saving you time. Once you click on the icon, you will see a list of Google applications. Next, click on Slides. This action takes you directly to Google Slides, where you can create all kinds of presentations and flyers. If you're on a personal device, you should already be logged into your Google account. This is convenient because it allows you to save your work automatically in your Google Drive. You'll notice the familiar interface of Google Slides, which makes the design process user-friendly and intuitive. Now, open a blank presentation in Google Slides. This selection allows you to start with a clean slate, giving you the freedom to design exactly what you envision for your flyer. A blank presentation is perfect because it provides an empty canvas for your creativity. You will see a new slide appear, ready for you to add elements. This is a crucial step, as starting fresh helps you focus on your specific design goals. After that, click File in the top menu bar, then select Page Setup. This option is important because it allows you to customize the dimensions of your flyer. When you click on Page Setup, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you various settings to choose from. This flexibility ensures that your flyer fits the standard size or any custom dimensions you need. From there, click the drop-down menu and change it from widescreen 16:9 to custom. This change is essential because most flyers are printed on standard paper sizes. By selecting custom, you can specify the exact dimensions you need. You will feel confident knowing that your flyer will print correctly and look professional. Set the dimensions to 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the standard US letter size, and click Apply. This step is vital because using the correct dimensions ensures that your flyer will fit perfectly on a typical sheet of paper. You will see the slide area adjust to your new size, confirming that your changes have been made successfully. Now click Background on the top toolbar. This allows you to set a background for your flyer, which can enhance its visual appeal. A solid background holds your layout elements together and makes your text pop, ensuring that your message stands out. It's a simple step that can significantly impact the overall look of your flyer. Next, click the color circle and select a solid color, a smooth gradient, or click Choose Image to upload a full-page background graphic. This choice allows you to personalize your flyer and align it with the theme or mood of your event. You'll notice various options appear, and you can experiment until you find the perfect background that complements your design. Once satisfied, you will be ready to move forward. Once that is done, click Done. This action will save your background choice and apply it to your flyer. You will see your selected background fill the slide, providing a solid foundation for your text and images. This step is reassuring because it confirms that your design choices are being implemented correctly. Next, click Insert, then Text Box, and draw a wide box at the top of the canvas. This text box will be where you place your main title, which is crucial for grabbing attention. It's the first thing viewers will see when they look at your flyer, so make it count. You'll see a cursor appear, allowing you to draw the box of your desired size. This will help outline the space for your title effectively. Now, type your main title using short, punchy action words. This approach is effective because it quickly communicates the essence of your message. Using concise language helps make your flyer more impactful and memorable. You will notice how a strong title can set the tone for the rest of your flyer, drawing your audience in. Highlight the text and choose a heavy, bold font style such as Impact, Arial Black, or Montserrat Bold. Selecting a bold font style is important because it ensures your title is legible from a distance. Strong typography will make your text stand out against the background, enhancing readability. You will see the font change immediately, giving your title the prominence it deserves. Bump the text size up significantly, between 40 points and 60 points, so it is easy to read. This is crucial for ensuring that your message is clear from afar. A larger font size captures attention and makes it easier for people to read your flyer quickly. You will feel confident knowing that your title is both visible and impactful. Now, click Insert, then Image to add high-quality event photos, product snapshots, or decorative graphics. Including images can make your flyer visually appealing and engaging. This step enriches your flyer with relevant visuals that can draw in your audience. You will be able to choose images from your computer or search online, enhancing your creative options. Use corner anchors to scale your images without stretching or warping them. This technique is essential because maintaining image quality is crucial for a professional-looking flyer. When you click and drag from the corners, you ensure that the proportions of your images remain intact. You'll notice how this keeps your design looking sharp and polished. Next, draw a separate text box near the bottom for your event logistics such as date, time, location, and contact info. This information is critical for your audience as it provides essential details about your event. Use a clean, readable font sized at 18 points to 24 points. This size range will keep your text easily legible, which is important for viewer engagement. Finally, use the shape tools such as circles or rectangles to create solid blocks of color behind your text if your background image makes the letters hard to read. This step ensures that your text remains visible and stands out against the background. By adding these color blocks, you enhance the legibility of your flyer, making it more effective. You will see how these finishing touches can dramatically improve the overall design of your flyer. Once you have completed all these steps, you will have a professional-looking flyer ready to share or print. Enjoy showcasing your creativity.